With crops, buildings, and cars damaged by the large hail last night, area contractors want people to be on the lookout for possible scammers. Officials at Lediger Roofing in La Crosse say it's common to see people from out of state claiming to be contractors showing up after storms with extensive damage. They say those scammers will often ask for large down payments up front before not finishing the work and leaving town. Even if they do finish the project, it may not be done well.
You often find contractors who they come out, they take care of everything, but they're cutting some corners, they're doing everything they can to make as much money as possible, and then they leave and you can't get a hold of them, you're having issues, and then the local contractors are left there to take care of the mess, and it usually ends up costing you more than to have done it right in the first place.
Some red flags you should look out for include companies with non-local phone numbers or license plates from outside the area. Suspicious contractors also may not have a permanent address and won't have local references who could vouch for their work. If you do suffer damage from a storm, Lediger Roofing says the best first step is to always call your insurance company first. From there, insurance agents should be able to guide you on your next steps.